Vanilla ice cream with a thin and crisp layer of chocolate, a 5-minute summer dessert that everyone loves. You will need vanilla ice cream, chocolate, and a little bit of olive oil. Let's start. So the first thing to do is to shape the ice cream. So I'm pouring boiling water in a container. I'm warming up my ice cream scoop. My ice cream scoop, it was warm. I can shape the ice cream scoops. Warming up the ice cream scoop again and shaping a new scoop. Now this goes in the freezer. We're going to melt the chocolate. So I'm cutting it in pieces to make it melt faster. And then this goes on very low heat with a tablespoon of olive oil. Smooth the chocolate with a rubber spatula. And let it finish melting. The chocolate is nice, liquid and hot. I'm gonna let it on this very low heat until the last minute. I'm gonna take the vanilla ice cream out of the freezer. And I'm going to pour the hot melted chocolate over the cold ice cream. We're letting the chocolate harden. In a few seconds it will be hard. And we can serve it or leave it in the freezer until you're ready to eat. I would love to hear from you. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if the recipe worked for you. But for now, I say thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a nice day.